Mantra YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about the 9th class and 10th class both classes related topic, that is the mole. The mole topic is the subtopic of the chemical equations and stoichiometric equations. When you are solving the problems in stoichiometric equations, here mole concept is very important. To understand the mole, we can solve the all problems, and applications of the mole also very important. In this class, we have to explain, we have to learn these all topics. First one is the mole. The definition. What is the definition of the mole? Mole is nothing but the amount of the substance that contains as many particles as atoms exactly present in 12 grams of carbon 12 atom or isotope. 12 grams of carbon 12 atom or isotope means here, if you take 12 grams of carbon 12 atom, the 12 grams of carbon 12 atom consisting how many number of particles? Means here particles means carbon atoms. How many number of carbon atoms? That must be is equals to 1 mole. See here, for example, 12 grams of carbon 12 atom consisting X number of carbon 12 atoms. X number of carbon atoms. The X indicates mole. The mole number is proposed by the scientist Avogadro. That's why this mole number is called Avogadro number. The Avogadro number can be represented by the letter capital N or N subscript of A. What is the number of mole? How much value of the mole? If you take mole value, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Particles means whatever it may be. If you take atoms. If you take ions. If you take molecules. If you take electrons. And explaining once again, mole is nothing but Avogadro number. The Avogadro number indicates capital N or Na. The value of mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Means here 12 grams of carbon atom consisting Avogadro number of, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. Means 12 grams of carbon 12 atom consisting Avogadro number, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 carbon atoms. Now most important of the mole here, applications of mole. These applications are very useful to solving the all stoichiometric problems. Without these applications, we can't do the stoichiometric problems. I am explaining briefly. Here 4 applications are there. After this video, next video, I will explain one by one each other thoroughly. Now just briefly I am explaining applications of the mole. Here total 4 applications are there. First one is the coefficient of a particle. Already you know in mathematics, coefficient means what here? Before the atom, before the molecule, before the ion, we have to write the one number. For example, here H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. This is the unbalanced chemical equation. I am balancing this equation. 2H2 plus O2 gives rise to 2H2O. This is the stoichiometric chemical equation, means balanced chemical equation. In this reaction, 2 moles, this is 2 number is the coefficient of hydrogen. That's why this 2 is the 2 moles of hydrogen. Here no means 1 mole of oxygen, and it produces 2 moles of water. The coefficient indicates mole number. This is the first application of mole. Next, second application in terms of particles. Already we know what is the mole number. 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. Means 1 mole of atoms is nothing but these number of atoms. 1 mole of ions is nothing but these number of ions. 1 mole of electrons is nothing but these number of electrons. Means number of particles of mole is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. This is the second application. Now next we have to go to third application. In terms of weight or in terms of mass, this is the most important. 1 mole of any atom, if you take 1 mole of any atom, that must be equal to gram atomic weight. That must be equal to gram atomic weight. If you take 1 mole of molecule, any molecule if you take, that must be equal to gram molecular weight of that molecule. Gram molecular weight of that molecule. Next formula, if you take any formula, 1 mole of formula weight means what here? Gram formula weight. What is mean by gram atomic weight? Already we know. Atomic weight expressed in grams is called gram atomic weight. Molecular weight expressed in grams is called gram molecular weight. Formula weight expressed in grams is called gram formula weight. This is the mass in terms of mole. Next, in terms of volume. In terms of volume. When you are watching this fourth application, you have to observe it clear. Fourth application, 100% belongs to gases only. 1 mole of any gas, if the gas is either reactant or product, whatever it may be, that reactant or product must be present in gaseous state. That situation only we have to apply this volume application. At STP conditions, what do you mean by STP? Standard temperature and pressure. Temperature value 273 Kelvin, and that is equal to 0 degree Celsius. Pressure in atmosphere, 1 atmosphere, 76 centimeters of mercury or 760 millimeters of mercury. This is the standard temperature and pressure values. At these conditions, 1 mole of any gas only, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. In milliliters, 22,400 milliliters of volume. This is the briefly 4 applications of the mole. When you are calculating the problems, the applications lie between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All transactions takes place. Thank you.